Sagot Agad Day at isang gwapong hunk actor ang ating mga kasama ngayong araw. Sumingit tayo sa busy schedule niya dahil sa Star Sagot Agad request ni Saraya Bernadas. Kaya kung sa iyo, ihahanda ko ng aking recorder dahil sasagutin na ngayon din ni Mr. Jericho Rosales ang iyong mga katanungan. Ako po si Bianca Gonzalez at mag 5-minute bonding break muna kayo. Close tayo ngayong Boombastic January sa TFC Connect. Sumulat siya sa vlog section ng ating TFC Connect Multiply site at kung bakit si Jericho ang kanyang iniidolo, ito at babasahin ko ang vlog ni Saraya. I'm a big fan of Mr. Jericho Rosales, so I want to ask some questions na never pang na-answer. Thank you so much, TFC Connect. Pinaliliit niya talaga ang mundo. Love, Saraya Bernadas. Saraya, you're very welcome. Maswerte ka ngayong araw dahil heto na ang iyong Star Sagot Agad exclusive. Straight from Jericho's mouth, heto na siya, Video Connect.
Carmen is one of the best actresses I've ever worked with. And working with her was so much fun. And she gave out her best. And I think she really did well in the soap. And I look forward to working with her again. We actually just finished an episode for MMK. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumuporta na it did well. And come February 2009, nag-start na kami ng taping ni Christine for our new soap. Zaraya, because of that, I'm gonna dedicate this song para sa'yo. And your love is a pearl. You're my Mona Lisa. You're my rainbow skies. And my only prayer is that you realize you'll always be beautiful in my eyes. Hi Zaraya, thank you very much for supporting me, for following my career, and for enjoying everything I do. I hope I will always make you happy, and always make you smile. Thank you for supporting my music as well. Extend my regards to your family and to your friends. Thank you very much. God bless you. Close tayo sa TFC Connect.